Hi, this is Tandy Gutierrez, and this is the little quick Pimp Your Mat mini vid. So it's a figure 4 stretch. It's really helpful for your hips, helpful for your low back, your SI joint. Just a nice stretch overall that comes up a lot in my work. So you're going to lay on your back. There's a couple different variations. I'm just going to show you the basic. You're going to lay on your back. You're going to cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Now for some people this is plenty of a stretch right here. Okay. The goal is to feel it under the leg that's bent in that back sort of booty cheek area, okay? If you don't feel anything happening here, you're gonna hug this leg in. Everybody gets all riled up about how far does this knee come in and all of that. It doesn't actually matter. You're gonna take the meaty part of your palm and press it on the knee crease and press this open. You should automatically feel stuff happening under there. That's what you want. So you could stay here and try to press. There's not a lot of resistance there for me. So if you pull in and press out, that's what you want, okay? You could even do it on a wall and put this heel, this foot on the wall so that you really have an absolute closed circuit that you know is in balance on a straight wall. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and then just switch sides. Okay, so again, you could cross over that other knee and just hang out here, or you can hug in and go, that's plenty, I'm totally good, okay? Or you take the meaty part of your palm and gently press open on that other knee. If you want to set up on a wall, this foot would go on a wall and you would press here to help adjust in the pelvis, okay? So 4, 3, 2, 1, and then carefully unravel and release and rock on up to seated. If you're looking for more hip stretches and hip helpers, there's a video here on YouTube that's called the Holiday Hip Helper, because around the holidays everybody gets real emotional and real tense. And it's got a whole series of 3 that you could do in a row, but that's your quickie figure 4 hip stretch. Thanks.